Hello, hello. I'm back. The Knife Brother, Cutco Kris. Look, I got a shocking confession to make. As a Cutco sales rep, I don't have all the Cutco products in my house. I have most of them, but I don't have all of them. I've got the vegetable peeler, I've got the wine opener, I got the ice cream scooper, and I've got our award-winning can opener, all at the house. But there was one gadget that I was missing, and we're about to see it today. The pizza cutter. The Cutco Pizza Cutter is not an average pizza cutter. We're gonna put it to work today. I was getting by on a bread knife, but I was pushing too much pressure down and doling out the tip of the bread knife. So I went ahead and got the pizza cutter like I should have gotten a long time ago. So let's take a look. Let's give it a go. How big do I want my pieces to be? Let's go really big. All right, so we got through the pizza cutter. We got through the pizza with the pizza cutter. And there you go. Beautiful slice of pizza. And once you finish cutting your pizza, you just put your finger right here and you open it up. You remove the wheel and it allows for easy cleaning. All right, that's the Cutco Pizza Cutter. Reach out to the Knife Brother for more details. Visit knifebrother.com or cutcokris.com for more information.